Introduction. Dates in JavaScript are complex objects and have their own built-in date object. The date object is equipped with methods and properties to aid in manipulation and formatting of dates. The JavaScript date object can represent any date and time within a span of nearly 300,000 years. Creating a date object. There are 4 ways to create a new date object. The newDate constructor creates a new date object with the current date and time. The newDate, year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds constructor creates a new date object from the specified date and time. The newDate milliseconds constructor creates a new date object from the number of milliseconds since the Unix epoch. The newDate datestring constructor creates a new date object from a date string. Formatting dates. JavaScript does not have a built-in date formatting function, but we can leverage the methods of the date object to create our own. Examples of these methods include getDate, getMonth, and getFullYear. A string date in the format MMYYYY can be constructed using these methods. Tips and tricks? Remember that months in the date object are zero-based, meaning they start from 0, January, up to 11, December. Use the getUTC methods like getUTCDay, getUTCMonth, etc. if you want to get the date and time in universal time, UTC, rather than the user's local time. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Invoking date without the new keyword returns a string representing the current date and time, not a date object. Always use the new keyword when creating a new date object. When creating a new date object from a date string, the format of the string matters. The string should be in a format recognized by the date.parse method.